Hi guys, myself Shankar. Today I will discuss about Spring MVC module or Spring REST module or Spring Verb module related interview questions only. So I will prepare 50 questions. This verb module or MSc module I have 50 questions total. So these are the sufficient to go to interview. These questions only there in Spring MVC module. Let's discuss one by one. How do you handle file upload using Spring MVC? First question, this one. How do you forward a request to another page using Spring MVC? How do you redirect a page using Spring MVC? How do you handle the exception in Spring MVC? How do you handle container errors in Spring MVC? What is response body annotation? Explain about request parent, request header, path variable, matrix variable, and cookie value. Explain about request body. Explain about init binder. How do you declare request and response media types in Spring MVC? Explain about request mapping annotation. Difference between controller and REST controller. This is most important. Difference between request mapping and get mapping. Explain about component scan annotation. Explain the role of dispatcher servlet in Spring MVC. This is also most important. Difference between get mapping and post mapping. This is also most important question for interviews, process and experience. Difference between put mapping and patch mapping. This is also most important interview question. Explain about MVC to architecture. This is also most important interview question. What is use of yet verb servlet annotation? What is modeling Spring MVC? Explain about front controller design pattern. What is U reservoir in Spring MVC? Tell me few free definite U reservoirs in Spring MVC. This is most important. What is handler in Spring MVC? What is double posting problem in Spring MVC? This is also most important. Where do you need yet enable verb MVC annotation? Is REST secure? What can you do to secure it? This is also most important interview question. What is the status, HTTP status written code for a success delayed statement? Are model objects specific to a request? What is the difference between model.put and model.add attribute? What is form binding? This is most important interview question. When do you need at response status annotation in Spring MVC? What do you mean by MVC? What do you mean by you. What is under mapping and which under mapping you are using in project? This is most important interview question. What are idempotent operations and why is idempotency important? This is most important interview question. Difference between model 1 architecture and model 2 architecture. So this is also most important interview question. Different types of URL patterns in Spring MVC. What is load and startup? What is init parameters, context parameters, and request parameters? Difference between MVC and front controller. List of few free-definite handler mappings. This is most important. What is handler interceptor in Spring MVC? What is response entity annotation in Spring MVC? Difference between model and model map in Spring MVC. What is model attribute? Tell me about HTTP methods. This is most important. Tell me about HTTP status codes. This is most important. When you will get 404, comma 501, comma 503, comma 403, comma 401 status codes. This is very important. Auto pass address in post mapping. This is most important. What is model and view object? So out of these 50 most important questions are, I will list out now. One is the MVC architecture. Second one is the controller, controller vs REST controller. Third one is get vs post. Fourth one is request mapping, request param vs path variable. These are the high important. So these are the 50 interview questions for Spring MVC. These are the latest interview questions. Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC interview questions. So these are the you must prepare these are our annotations. So if they will ask any one question in out of these 50, so you can easily crack the interview. You can pause the video and you can prepare it. I will also create answers for these questions. Soon I will post individual questions answers. These are the very most important interview questions. Spring MVC. Thank you for watching.